Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, we have completed 500 subscribers and today is the time for a beautiful giveaway. I am very excited to share with you, and as a special giveaway, all the files and links will be in the description as well as in the comments of this video. What is the surprise? Well, to see that you must see the entire video, and I will say only one thing, that after looking this video, the way you work is obviously going to change. I am very excited to share with all of you. And now, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone. I welcome you all once again, and I am really very happy that we have reached the subscriber milestone of 500 subscriber, and that's why I had planned much earlier to give away one of the best thing that I have made till date, AI in security. So I will explain you step by step process, and you will see that whenever we copy a file in any drive other than the one where we have created this, it will be automatically destroyed. So I'm very excited, and without wasting much time, let's start. So coming to the use case, we will do it in 4 steps. As I told, I will show step by step process. So first let me show you the output. So this is my final output, and here we can see we have a file, Excel file, which contains a lot of things. So welcome, have a great day. Okay, balance sheet, notes, or whatever your important things are, you can see this compare and delete version 2 has lot of things. Okay, now the magic is here. You can see here it is in F drive and here it is E drive. So I will copy this file, copy, and I will paste here. Okay, now as I said, whenever someone tries to copy in a different drive, what happens, let us see. I will simply open it, and in a second trying to copy, you can't, and every single content was deleted from that file, right? So this is the thing. I will delete this. So this is the thing we can achieve. Okay, now how I did it, very simple. We will go step by step. Number 1, compare, check HDD number, compare and delete, and then last. So coming to the ChatGPT prompts, first I wrote, let's write a VBA code where I will hard code one HDD value of the hard disk in which the file is stored. Then you check the current file's HDD serial number and return a value. So what is hard disk HDD number? Hard disk serial number. Okay, and also return a statement whether the HDD number is matching or not. What HDD number was derived, that message should also be shown, and whether the new derived is matching or not, that should also be shown. So what I did was simple. Whenever a file is stored in a hard disk, I have derived the HDD number and one hard coded value we have given, and told our code to check that current file's HDD number. If they match, which means our file is in the same drive in which it was created, and if they do not match, means that the file location has been changed. Okay, a little bit complicated, don't worry, we will simplify it as we go on. So this gave me a beautiful piece of code, you can see, but there were some issues. Okay, so I am not showing this code only, we will see what were the issues. I am getting different HDD for the same file when using different codes. So I tried more different codes and I am getting different HDD number. So I decided to drop the HDD number and go to something more specific. I want that if a file is saved in D drive, it should not work in E drive or any other drive. Okay, maybe it's the volume serial number. I will attach one more document where you can find the difference between volume serial number, HDD, and other things. Okay, so can we modify the code to search that and then compare for the file in which we run the code? Please make it simple and automatic. Okay, so one more thing, that whatever we want at the end, we wanted that it should compare, delete everything. I do not give everything in the first instance of my input because that is impossible. I have tried many codes. If you give everything in single go, it is not going to achieve the output. So what we did, slowly in the stage 1, I told that we will compare. In the stage 2, I have told that if they do not match, delete it. In the stage 3, I have told that the code should run automatically. So this is the stage wise thing, and stage wise progress that we need to make. Okay, so I'm saying for now the confusion likely because different drives can have different volume serial number and file path themselves may vary based on which drive you are working with. You are looking to ensure that a file saved on one drive will only work when accessed from the same drive and not from the another. The key concept, volume serial number, uniquely identifies the file system of the drive and is what you should check to ensure the file is used in the correct way. Okay, so what we can do, retrieve the VSN, compare with other and display the results. So this is what I will show. I simply copied the code. Okay, and let's go to the first file, compare. So here I have just given dummy data, not an issue. Alt F11 we all know, and here you can see I have pasted it. Okay, I have pasted it and simply closed it. Alt F8, run. So it is telling that current drive is F, derived HDD number is this, the serial number does not match with the stored HDD serial. Now we haven't stored anything, right? So at once let's look at the code. I know we are not familiar with VBA codes, but trust me, little bit, when you keep seeing anything you will understand the basics. Okay, so let's go to the code once. So here subject check file dim path something, hard-coded HDD serial number to compare against. Replace this with your actual HDD serial number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 was the dummy number that we gave, and actual data once again I will show. Alt F8, run. So it is D43F4A0F. So now because we have hard-coded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so it is saying that it is not matching. We have not given the delete option right now. As I told, we will move in stages. Okay, so for now it is just comparing. So D43F40F. So what we will do, we will feed that VSN number in our hard-coded value. So we will just edit it, and here now I am feeding that code. Okay, now we will close it, and Alt F8 we will run it once again, and now you will see that current drive F, derived HDD serial number. Since we have hard-coded this value only, the serial number matches the stored HDD serial. Okay, so this is one way where you can derive as well as code it in the hard code value. Another option what I did is second file. Okay, so I'm closing this file. Here we only compared. Okay, don't save, and here check HDD number. Since some of us get confused that we are comparing directly without getting the number and everything, what I told was, in the second stage, now let's do step-by-step modification. First you feed the previous code in the memory. For those who are new to ChatGPT has got upgrades, and now it can contain few things in its memory, so you don't have to recall it again and again. So I told that you save this code in your memory. We will do step-by-step modification in this code only. Okay, this has done. Okay, we'll go through the modification step by step. Basic code, and then it has taken it in the memory. This is the foundation we will work from. Let me know the first modification. Now just send the code to derive the serial number and display the serial number on the screen. If anybody gets confused how we can get the serial number, now in the second part I have told that derive the serial number. Simple. In the first part I told we have already the serial number, and derive and compare, but I am going one step back for those who cannot understand. So what we will do is first derive. Okay, so it has given me a beautiful code. Again copy code, and now check HDD number or VSN number. So what we will do is Alt F8 again, edit, and here we will paste. Okay, it's the same code anyways. So now what it is doing is simply when we are running the code, we have got the similar code this. Okay, so this is one step backward. Anyways, not an issue. Now the main thing comes up again. After this part, what we will do is, now let's do the next modification. If serial number does not matches with the hard-coded value, erase all the contents of the worksheet, delete all sheets and everything except just one blank sheet, erase everything else, because Excel workbook at least need one sheet. So I've told that delete everything, delete worksheets, everything you delete, just keep one sheet. Okay, so alright, the modification will be this. So what we did is, now once again here you can see it's the code again. So copy code, although I am not pasting here, compare and delete. In stage 3 now we will compare and delete. First we did only compare, then we found out if we have any issue, and then compare and delete. Okay, so code is very simple. Alt F11, here you go to insert and then module. Okay, this is the module, and here I have already filled it so that it does not delete. Okay, anyways I will show you by deleting also. It's the same code. So Alt F8 and I run. Unauthorized access detected. We will copy the code and open our file, compare and delete. Freshly I will show that there are many sheets. Okay, whatever content we write or not, Alt F11, then we go to insert and module and all this. Okay, and here I will delete the previous one and paste it, and drive number, that hard coded value, we will need the original one. So original one we all have now know by now is this D43F4A0F, and simply I will close it, and here Alt F8 and run. So drive serial number matches access granted. You can also change this message. Now I will show you what we have done is that if we edit it, suppose instead of F I am giving something else, and simply I do, and now you can see blank sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and as soon as I run it, you will see that unauthorized access detected, all content has been erased. Within a second everything got erased. So we have reached stage 3 where we have compared and deleted. Now this thing here has only one problem, that it is deleting but we have to run the code manually. So in the 4th stage what we will do is we will run the code as soon as the file opens. So we will close it and don't save. Okay, now the 4th stage, as I showed you, this is the file which is perfectly okay. Welcome, have a great day. And here we go to the code. 4th code is simple. Next modification, instead of starting manually, can you modify this code to run automatically as soon as the file is opened? Please try to incorporate it in a single code. So because when we are copying, if it does not start automatically, then our purpose will be defeated, because nobody is going to start the code for us. So what we wanted is that it should start automatically as soon as the file opens. Here there is one thing done very differently. Normal thing is that I will show you. We go to Alt F11 and here you can see there is no module. Okay, normal code, again I am saying this is very important thing that you must focus. Insert module, this is the normal thing we do. Okay, but here I do not want this thing. Still we want to write the code. Yes, so let's see what's the instruction. Certainly we can make the code run automatically by placing it in the workbook open event and not in the modules. Okay, so this is one thing, as I told you, need to focus. Whenever you want any code to run automatically, you cannot place it in the module. Okay, so this event run code as soon as the workbook is opened, which is what we require, without requiring the user to start it manually. Okay, so this is the code. What is different is I'll show you. Instead of going here and there is a workbook event automatically in every project. So this workbook event we are placing here our code, copy code. You can see place the code in this workbook module, use the workbook open event. So copy code, and I have done it here, and I have done already the actual VSN number. Okay, so this way we have achieved our objective. Also the message that comes at the start, I will show you. Let's do don't save, not an issue. The message that comes at the beginning, okay, welcome, have a great day, it is very easily modifiable. How? As I told you, if we keep seeing the code, it is very easy. Alt F11, and here you can see trying to copy is that message when we want to destroy the file. So somewhere you will get this, welcome, have a great day. So we can write day, you are amazing or something. That's for my, no, that's for you guys who are following me and who are learning from me, and hope you are getting some value. So this is for you, you are amazing. Okay, and also don't try to do next time. Let's be a little bit dramatic. Don't try to copy our work next time. Okay, just passing the time. Anyways, sometimes you must be little funny also, and I've saved it. Okay, so we have made little bit changes and now we are good coders. Okay, with the help of AI we can be everything, whatever you want. The only limit is your imagination. Okay, so compare and delete and see. Hey, welcome, have a great day, you are amazing. Okay, and once again at last I would like to show once again, if we copy it in E drive here and compare and delete, it's very simple. It will say trying to copy, you can't, don't try to copy our work next time. So hope you have learned something from this, and I cannot wait to see your reactions because this is something really amazing. Everything is there in the description. Any issue you can comment and I will be there for your help. Do implement this and get the best security for your files. That's all for today, friends. I hope you really got some value out of this video, and don't forget to comment any issue that you have or what you liked about this video or any other thing that you want me to make a video on. So thank you everyone once again.